What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got Native Union lightning cable. It's a belt cable, supposedly 6 times stronger than your normal Apple lightning cable, and it's got a lifetime warranty. That's really good. It's 4 feet, and it works with your iPod, iPhone, and iPad. Take a look at the back here. Reinforced 4-foot charging cable with genuine leather strap, wrap and go. Sync and high-speed charging. Neat and tangle-free. It's got a reinforced construction, handcrafted leather. So as you can see, it's looking really good in the pictures. Nice belt to keep it together. Genuine leather. All sounds real nice. I definitely need a better lightning cable. I transfer movies from my iPhone 10 to my PC, and once those lightning cables give out, you could be halfway, had the movie transfer, and then everything just freeze up. So definitely needed a good lightning cable. Went in Best Buy. Seen this name on YouTube before, Native Union, but I don't know what that is. Get that up out of there. I don't know, but so I'm gonna go. I wanted to check it out. Seemed like a pretty quality product. It's got a nice packaging going on, as you can see. Ultra strong, 6 times stronger than standard lightning cable. 6 times stronger than standard lightning cable. 10,000 plus bend lifespan. So you can bend this 10,000 times. Put some stress on the neck 10,000 times. It's got O-Flex strain relief design. So it's really supposed to be really good. That's what's up. Durable nylon braiding, TPE rubber sleeve, protective 10 copper braid, nylon strengthening filler, made with DuPont Kevlar fiber, main grounding, high durable Elastoflex tubing, security grounding. So as you can see, it's really, they put a lot of thought into this thing right here. So definitely something that seemed like it's gonna last. You can see it looks really nice in the packaging. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out for y'all and take a look at it. I'm gonna tell y'all my feel or my spiel on it. You can't feel it in hand, so you won't be able to feel the quality like me. Let me see if I can figure out how to get it out here. Okay, really easy. Slide it out like so. And it's attached to some tape. Well, I don't know what this is, but really intricate packaging for a cable. So that's a good sign. Anytime company take that time and really put some packaging together, it means they believe in their product. And here we go. As you can see, we got some extra stuff going on with the neck, and we got some Native Union branding up there. Really nice. Extra protection so that neck don't break so easy. Feels really good. Feels when you could tell when you bend it, that is a lot going on inside the cable as far as protection go. Right here, they showed you on the packaging everything that they had going on inside, trying to keep this sturdy as possible. You could feel, it doesn't feel flimsy at all. So there's a lot going on. Nice strap, Native Union, nice and leathery. Feels really good, man. If y'all want me to come back and let y'all know how I held up after a while, I'll definitely do that. You could just drop something down in the comments. But it feels really sturdy, and it looks really good. It's gonna go really well with my space gray iPad and my iPhone 10 that I got right here, Case by Speedgen. Let me know if y'all need that link in the description for that Case by Speedgen. But yeah, Native Union, really good, feels really good. I'm optimistic about this. Looks really good, really dope looking lightning cable. I'm definitely not letting nobody steal this from me. A lot of iPhone heads in my house, they definitely not getting this one. They done tore every other cable up. They definitely not getting this one. This is the Native Union belt cable. I'll drop a link in the description. It's your man BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. It's BG. Follow me on Instagram, BG Tech Life. Follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.